Thank you for joining me today. It's a pleasure to introduce you to Dimerix. My name is Nina Webster and I'm the CEO and Managing Director of Dimerix. For those of you who are not familiar with us, we are an Australian publicly listed pharmaceutical company, and we're working to improve the lives of patients with inflammatory diseases, including both kidney and respiratory diseases. Our lead asset, DMX 200, is a potential drug candidate in phase 3 clinical trials as a treatment for focal segmental glomerulosclerosis, or FSGS, which is a rare kidney disease with no approved treatment anywhere in the world. Our positive phase 2 data we announced in 2020 demonstrated a really strong safety profile and efficacy profile. Furthermore, DMX 200 has been granted orphan drug designation for FSGS in US, Europe, and UK in recognition that it addresses this very niche and underserved market with no effective treatments. Our promising phase 2 data underpins our decision to progress into that phase 3 study, which is actively recruiting patients across over 70 clinical sites in 11 different countries, including the US under an open IND. Our phase 3 study is a randomized double-blind placebo-controlled study and has 2 interim analyses built in, the first of which is anticipated in mid-2023. Having completed a capital raise in mid-2021, we're well funded for our flagship program. In addition to our phase 3 FSGS program, we're continuing to develop on our longer-term opportunities. The first of those is the next step in diabetic kidney disease, and that's also on the back of our very promising phase 2 data in 2020. And the second of our longer-term opportunities is in DMX 700 for chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, or COPD. Now, COPD is the third largest cause of death globally, and of the top 5, the only one with increasing mortality rates. In June of this year, we were really pleased to announce that we saw an impressive and statistically significant 80% decrease in lung injury with DMX 700 against the control in our preclinical model, and we're now planning the next steps of development. The pipeline assets are all based on compelling scientific rationale, are all in commercially attractive growing markets, and which could not only diversify risk, but also diversify those sources of potential revenue streams. As you can imagine, it's extremely busy within Dimerix at the moment, and I'm very much looking forward to providing updates to the market in due course. Thank you for listening today, and I wish you a good day.